How to transfer your Roblox account to another device. Let's get started. Make sure you know the username, email and password associated with your Roblox account. Now download the Roblox app on your new device. You can head towards your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Roblox. Download the Roblox app. This might be in your Windows as well. You can head towards the web browser or you can download Roblox in your PC. Once you download it, you have to launch the app. Now go ahead and click on the option of login. Now you have to fill this, provide your Roblox account details, username, email or phone number, and then type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can choose this option, email me a one-time code. With that, you will receive code in your email address and you can type in that code and log into your account. Once you fill this, click on the option of login. With that, you will be logged into your account. After successfully logging in, you should have access to your Roblox account on the new device. Now you can review your settings and preferences to ensure everything is set up the way you want it on the new device. Once logged in, you have just transferred Roblox account to another device. So this is how you can easily transfer Roblox account to another device. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.